Hey everyone, just showing this TLS caliper kit we finished up for a customer. This is a bolt-on 4-piston big brake caliper kit for the fronts. You get brand new hardware with the calipers, mounting bolts, pad pins, the pin clips, a set of decals, brand new hardware. The bleeder valves are brand new. And you get them powder coated color of your choice. This customer went with this color called Neutron Star. First time doing this color. Really nice blue and purple color shifting with a nice metallic flake in it. It looks really, really nice. So all you have to do is basically pair these up with your own TL Type S rotors and pads that you will buy on your own. Many different options online as to many different brands that carry the TLS specification parts, and you can pick out the nice brake compound you want for like a daily driver. If you're tracking the vehicle, you get a more aggressive compound. We leave the rotor and pad selection up to you. We're just selling you the calipers, and so you can finish and complete the kit out on your own. So if you're interested in getting a TLS caliper kit for your Honda or Acura, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. You can order this caliper kit directly online. We have other applications for specific Honda and Acura vehicles, so just make sure you look through the website specifically for the Acura RDX SUV, and then we have Honda S2000 and NSX fitments that are slightly different from the main caliper kit. But if you have any questions about whether this kit will fit your vehicle, just feel free to reach out to us through the website. Thanks for looking.